Hi, CK staff. This week on your Google Glimpse, I'm going to show you a little bit about Google Sheets. Just a brief introduction here. Google Sheets is kind of like the Excel equivalent, though it is a lighter version. It doesn't have as many complex formulas as you can do in Excel. But for those of us who aren't really power users of Excel, Google Sheets can be very handy. It can be used for entering some ideas for grades, organizing and tracking information, attendance, behavior data, and really much, much more. So here I have a sample little class list. Let's say I'm tracking just behavior on 4 students that have some issues. So I can go through and I can track behavior in multiple ways. I can do it by entering a numerical value of how they were doing. Let's say I have them set up on a 4-point scale. Donald Duck was doing fabulously that day. Minnie was on standard. Now, in addition, the thing that I really like about Google Sheets is I can actually add written information too. Now I'm just going to paste these in so you don't have to watch me type. Now notice what it does. It puts it in here and it looks like it's bleeding over into any of the other cells. I don't want it to look that way. So what I can do when I go to put words in is I can actually click this little text wrapping here. And once I click it, I go, okay, let's do the little circle wrap text. Now with Google Sheets, I can go and I can move these things around, make the columns larger or smaller as I need. And now I'm going to be able to track that behavior information for that group of students. I can then go and share it with maybe the special ed teacher and use this tool in a way that I hadn't ever used Excel before. Just a little introduction. Remember, it does do all the numbers and formulas and that kind of stuff too. But Google Sheets has a lot to offer. I can then go File and I can print it, decide which way it's going to be. I can decide if I want to show the grid lines or not. Once I print, I'll show you what it would look like. So I did no grid lines. I can actually choose to do the grid lines or not. But that gives you an idea of some of the possibilities. I encourage you to go and explore Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact Brandy Snow or Christine Franson. Thanks.